Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland. We are at the 3rd Street Park, where renovations have been ongoing for several months now, and things are starting to take shape here, at least on the Bayside side of what's going to be pretty much a brand new park here on St. Louis Avenue. And there's still no access to the park, as you can obviously see from the fence, but much of the sidewalk is already in place, and I think that's going to be a walking path. And we have some fresh sod, and we've got quite a few trees, and some of them are oak trees, so they should grow for a long, long time. On the ocean side of St. Louis Avenue, the park is also getting a full facelift. And here you can see that the basketball courts have been completely demolished. And so we're going to get a fresh basketball court, and they've also taken down the playground that was located there. And I think they're going to do some upgrades on the skate park too. Now don't worry, they're going to put a playground over here on the Bayside, and so we'll just have to wait and see how big of a playground that is. But everything is looking real promising now, and hopefully it'll be ready to go by next season. Over here on the fence next to the skate park is a diagram map, and it says that everything should be ready by the summer of 2024. Over here is another look at the ocean side of the park, and of course this part is located also next to Philadelphia Avenue, and this used to be a Little League ball field, but I guess maybe everybody that wants to be on a team is just a player or member of perhaps the Berlin Little League, and so I guess this section is going to be repurposed. As you can see, there's still a lot of work yet to be done, and they've actually just started working on this side of St. Louis Avenue. So I think it looks like it's shaping up to be a fantastic new park, and it'll definitely be a good addition, because right now Northside Park is truly the gem, at least as far as recreation parks in Ocean City. So this looks like another great addition, and we'll do another video when it's all done next spring.